Chapter 10.
Let's learn HTML5.
Chapter Surf. Terms related to Internet. What is HTML? Structure of HTML document. What are HTML tags? Creating HTML document. Viewing HTML document. Modifying HTML code. Attributes of body tag,
Paragraph tag. Line break tag. Heading tags. Text formatting tags.
You know that Internet is the largest network that connects computers all over the world to share information. A computer on the Internet that stores websites is called a server. Terms related to Internet. Let us recall basic terms related to Internet. Web page. It is an individual document on the server which contains relevant information in the form of text, images, videos, sounds, animations, etc. Each web page has its unique address on the web server, known as its URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Website. A website is a collection of many related web pages stored on the server. These web pages are interlinked to one another through hyperlinks. What is HTML? HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a language used for designing web pages. It provides certain markup codes that describe the content and format of the web page. Hypertext is the text that works as a hyperlink. Markup is a way of writing documents that describes the general structure of the document so that a browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, etc., can read the documents and display them. It does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the content of the document. Features of HTML. HTML documents are simple text files. There is no need of compilation of HTML codes. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. Spaces and tabs can be used anywhere, unlike some other programming languages. HTML documents can be written in any text editor. HTML documents can be viewed in any browser and in any type of operating system. This is why HTML is a platform-independent language.
New features of HTML5. Audio and video elements. You can embed audio and video files directly into a web page without the need for additional software such as the Flash player.
Canvas element. This element allows you to generate graphics using JavaScript in the browsers. That is, you can now draw lines, curves, shapes, text, images, and so on using the canvas.
New input types. It provides many new input types like email, data, color, month, number, and so on to simplify the designer's tasks. Drag and drop. Drag and drop the items from one location to another on the same web page. Tools required for creating an HTML document. The basic tools required to build an HTML document are WYSIWYG editors. What you see is what you get are GUI-based programs that let us create web pages without knowing the HTML code. Websites can be created quickly using these editors. Example of these editors are Google Web Designer, Adobe Dreamweaver, etc. Or text editors are programs that are used to create web page by writing the HTML code. Example of these editors are Notepad, WordPad, Gedit, Linux or a text edit, Mac OS. Web browsers are software used to display or view the HTML file. Some commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and so on.
Structure of HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML document is: HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML. Head tag contains information about the web page. Title tag contains the web page title. Body tag contains the content of the web page. HTML document is made up of various tags which tell the browser how to display the web page, but there are some basic HTML tags used in all HTML documents to identify document parts. HTML tag. The HTML tag encloses the whole HTML document, which marks the beginning and end of the document. It helps the browser to understand that the document is an HTML document. Head tag. The head tag is used to define the document header. It is placed within the HTML tag and contains the information like title, style, document's description, etc. Title tag. The title tag appears within the head tag. The information enclosed by the title tag appears in the title bar of the browser window when the page is displayed. Body tag. The body tag appears after the head tag. All the contents of the web page, that is, text, graphics, links, etc., are enclosed in between the body tag. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are the special keywords enclosed between the angle brackets and that convey a meaning to the web browser about how to display the content followed by them. Most of the tags are used in pairs, that is, with each start tag there is an end tag, for example, HTML, body, B, etc. The only difference between start and end tag is that in end tag, keyword is preceded by a /. Start tag, text, end tag. The type of tags that have a start tag as well as an end tag are called container tags or non-empty tags. For example, HTML and body tags. There are some tags which do not need an end tag. For example, HR and BR tags. These tags are called empty tags. Tag attributes. Tag attributes are the special words used inside the start tag to control the tag's behavior. There could be more than one attribute for a tag, separated by space in between. Nested tags. When you use tags within some other tags, it is called nesting of tags. You must balance each pair of nested tags so that they do not overlap. For example, head, title, creating a web page, title, head. Creating HTML document. Let us learn to create an HTML code using the text editor Notepad. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Scroll to and select Windows Accessories. Step 3. Click on Notepad. Step 4. Type the HTML code in Notepad window. Step 5. Save the HTML document. Click on File, Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 6. Give a name to the document and add HTML or .htm extension. For example, my first page.html or my first page.html. HTML. Step 7. Click on Save button. Viewing HTML document. The saved HTML document can be viewed in a web browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. Open the folder where you have saved the HTML document and double-click on the HTML document. The HTML document will open as a web page in the web browser window. Modifying HTML code. Open Notepad. Click on File menu and click on Open option. From the Open dialog box, select the HTML document and click on Open button. Make the modifications to the HTML document. Click on Save in File menu or press Ctrl+S keys to save the changes in the document. In the browser, click the Refresh button or press F5 key. The browser displays the changes made in the web page. Attributes of body tag. The body tag contains the main code of the HTML document. By default, the web page is created on a plain white background using text in black color. The attributes of the body tag are used to change the default setting. Using colored background. To change the background color of the page, we use the BG color attribute in the body tag. Format. Body BG color equal to, within quotes, color name. Example. Output. Using picture background. To add a picture as the web page background, we can use the background attribute in the body tag. Format. Body background equal to path / within quotes file name .extension, where file name extension is the name of the picture file to be used with complete storage location. Example. Output. Changing text color. To change the default text color from black to some other color, we can use the text attribute. Format. Body text equal to, within quotes, color name. Example. Output.
Paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is used to start a new paragraph.
The text that we type between paragraph and end paragraph tags is by default left aligned. We can change the alignment of paragraph by using the align attribute. Format. P-align is equal to, within quotes, alignment, where alignment can be left, right or center. Example. Output.
Line break tag. The BR tag shifts the text to a new line without inserting a blank line in between. To simply end one line and jump to the next, use BR tag.
Format. BR tag. Example. Output.
Heading tags. HTML provides HN tag to apply different predefined header formats to represent the heading categorized up to the 6 levels. The level 1 heading style, that is H1, is the most prominent heading style and is used to represent top-level headings, whereas H6 is the least prominent heading style. Format. HN text /HN, where the value of n ranges from 1 to 6. Example.
Output.
Text formatting tags. HTML has various text formatting tags to style individual words or sentences, as listed below. B tag is used to add extra weight to the text enclosed. I tag is used to make enclosed the text in italics. U tag is used to make enclosed the text in underlined. Example:
Output.